Moving on, let's discuss the overall concept or idea of a focal point and using a focal point. A focal point is used to control the eye. So when we have a focal point, we are telling the viewer that there is something important going on. So I'm going to draw a horizon line very quickly. I'll sketch in the essence or idea of some mountaintops or mountain ranges in the background. And I'll lay in some quick, heavy darks just for contrast. And I'm going to lay in a quick hatching mark. And I'm going to let that hatching mark lighten up as I get to the center right here. I'll indicate some clouds or concept of clouds in the background. And I will also put a light hatching mark right through the clouds and some of the background. Now at this point I'm going to put a silhouetted figure. The idea that off in the distance there is a soul figure standing, and this soul figure will have a shadow. Now, I'm going to lay in the idea of an older wooden fence that's kind of falling down, a fence that you might find in an older farm or ranch. And we'll lay in the idea of wire or barbed wire or wood coming in that fence, and we'll put in the other side of the fence right through here. And I'll put in a little bit of texture on this path and a little bit more hatching. So what we've done here is we have created a focal point that is around right here. How have we done that? We've done that through the idea of angle moving into the picture plane right here and here. This mountain angles down and in, this mountain angles down and in, and this mountain angles down and in, thus making this the focal point. Everything is leading toward that. What else have we done as the artist? We've also left this area lighter. This area is hatched a little bit darker, and the figure is very dark. This gives it a high rate of contrast right at the focal point, and it's also somewhat centered. So all these things have given us, the artist or designer, a nice focal point. Hi, I'm Jonathan Simon. And in this course, I'm going to teach you how to draw.
Would you like to learn how to draw more effectively in order to produce beautiful and interesting drawings, as well as functional and aesthetically pleasing designs? Maybe you are a graphic designer who wants to add the drawing process to your workflow. Whether you are working on logos, editorial layouts, or digital productions such as websites or app designs. Maybe you are not a designer but want to communicate more effectively in visual form. Drawing is a skill that can be used in many different careers and not just design. For example, the various types of composition included in this course, including the rule of thirds, formal and informal subdivision, focal point, rotational symmetry, and the many other types of composition can be applied in drawings, but also designs and even photography. Drawing as part of the design process is something taught at prominent art schools, and it is used at various prestigious design agencies to this day. Drawing can be used as part of the brainstorming stage, the sketching stage, and even later parts of the design process. In this course, you will learn how to apply effective mark-making techniques, gesture drawing, value with shading and lighting, effective methods for drawing various shapes and forms, structural drawing, product sketching, the fundamentals of drawing the head and the face, drawing in perspective, and much more. By the time you have completed this course, you will have produced various drawings and designs that you could add to your portfolio. When you improve your drawing skills, you open the door to many more design possibilities. Producing beautiful drawings and interesting designs can be fun, but it can also be financially rewarding when you use it during your career or as part of freelance design work. This course comes with over 10 hours of helpful video demonstrations, from structural drawings to product sketches, to applying many different types of composition and drawings and logo designs to many other types of drawings. The Drawing for Designers PDF book is also included with enrollment, which has 108 pages of content, including historical background and further explanation of some of the drawing methods, worksheet pages to print out or draw, support file photos, and additional exercises. You also get access to all the photo reference support files and access to our critique forum and community in the Drawing for Designers Facebook group after enrollment. Once you enroll, you have lifetime access so you can complete the course at your own pace as you improve your drawing and sketching skills. Please check out the other free sample videos on this course landing page for more information.
I'm Jonathan, a professional artist and educator. I've been teaching students how to draw for many years now. As a university professor of drawing and painting, I've had a lifetime career in art, from graphic design to illustration to digital illustration. Before becoming a full-time artist, commercially my work and illustrations have been published on various magazine covers, advertisements, and commissioned for various companies. Some of my art has been featured in prominent galleries throughout the United States. In this course, my professional experience and education will provide you with expert guidance as you improve your drawing skills. My goal is to equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to produce amazing drawings. Jump on in the course and start drawing today. Get feedback from me and your peers as you build your skills and your portfolio. I offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not satisfied, you can get a refund. But I know you'll love this course as you start to produce beautiful drawings. So don't wait. Join today, and I'll see you in this course.